Before we start our review, please remember to click the subscribe button and subscribe to our channel. We have some really cool reviews coming up this year, and we will be starting our free product giveaways soon. A lot of the TV streaming services are offering a lot of channels these days, but they're cutting out the local channels, or they're just offering you a few of the local channels. Now, a good antenna is all you need to get those local channels. We've looked around and we've tried a bunch of them, but there are only a few antennas that actually really did work and work well, and the Mohu is one of them. Today, we're going to take a look and show you how to quickly install it, how to set up the antenna, which is real important for actually making it work. The Mohu antenna pictured here is white, but actually you can flip it. And it is actually black on the other side, which is real cool. We haven't seen that too many times. We'll also throw a link down in our description box to this model antenna if you want to take a look at it. Installing the antenna is real simple. You're just looking for a little jack on the back of your TV set, and you just want to connect this cable. It's labeled to TV on the cable for you, so it's real hard to mess that one up. And just screw it right into the TV set, and you're all set. The last thing you need to do is just plug the antenna into an empty wall outlet. Once you've got your antenna connected, this is the real important part, because without doing this, you're basically going to figure the antenna doesn't work and what's going on, and you're going to return it. So this is the real important step. You want to go into your TV, and normally there's a settings area where you can set up your TV, and you want to select the settings and go down to something like channels and inputs. It may be called just channels on yours. This is a Sony TV, but it's going to say set up TV channels in the area where you're looking there. Hit that, and then what you're going to do is you're going to go to the you're going to set the cable antenna to antenna. It's usually defaulted to that, and then you're going to go into some type of auto program mode. Okay, it's going to tell you that the auto program will search for channels. You're going to basically hit OK, and it's going to go through and search for all your analog and digital channels. It's probably not going to find any analog. That's kind of irrelevant. The digitals are the one that's in high def and 1080. So let it go and search, let it sit there, and eventually it will start finding usually an amazing amount of channels. As you can see here, this thing found 50 channels. Again, that should give you more than enough things to watch. Okay, once you get it all configured, basically you'll see that the reception looks incredible. Looks high def here, very clear. And you'll see a whole bunch of channels. Of course, you'll get all your local channels, your CBS, your NBC, your ABC, etc. But you also get a bunch more here. In fact, it's almost overwhelming. You're shocked to learn all the channels you've been missing here as you go through here. You basically, just as I'm scrolling here, you'll be able to see everything from shopping channels to kids channels to all movie channels. Again, it's just almost endless here amount of channels. And we're probably about maybe 30 miles or 35 miles from the nearest antenna. Okay, so that concludes our review for today. If you need those local channels, this one is a real winner. And thank you very much as always for watching, and please remember to subscribe.